I wanted to walk through in this area a common scenario for a small business, and that is benefit enrollment time. Now, obviously, a lot more companies have employees working remotely. You have employees out in the field. So getting this done can be such a hassle. But now with Hub HR, we have easy facilities to be able to take advantage of this and make life very easy, not just for the HR administrator, but also for your employees. So the first thing I wanted to do is go to the custom fields area, because what you'll see is I've added some custom fields under benefits. So I've included a healthcare field and a vision field, and within it, I've made them selectable, and I've created different plan options that are available for our staff. So for healthcare, you can see we have none, HMO1, HMO2, and for vision, we've included Plan A and Plan B. So these are just the names of the plans that are now going to be available to our staff. The second thing that I'm going to want to accomplish here is typically every benefit provider has an enrollment form similar to what I have showing here. These are the forms that we're going to want our employees to complete and include as part of their enrollment process. I'm going to show you how we can do that. So let's go step back into Hub HR, and we're now going to create the workflow, which will show us how to create this enrollment process. So let's go back to workflows and tasks. We're going to now add a new one. So the first thing we did is we've named this plan appropriately. We've also have some instructions here for our staff. In this case, we're not going to worry about any documents for them to review, but we are going to go to the questions area and select those benefit custom fields. We want to make sure that we track these and keep these. So let's add our healthcare plan and our vision plan. We're going to click next. We're now going to see that we want to give employees the opportunity to upload supporting documentation, because this is where we're going to want them to upload those completed benefit enrollment forms. So we're going to say yes. We're going to give them a due date to complete by the 27th. If this is an open enrollment period for your entire staff, you would select all active employees as your audience. In my case, I'm just going to allow a couple employees to enroll right now, so we're going to pick a couple of them real quick. When it comes to a review process, there's really nothing for me to review in this instance. So I'm going to say, hey, everything is auto-approved. So we don't need a review process in this instance. And now we're going to get to our summary. Here's a summary of the enrollment workflow. We're going to create tasks for these employees to make their healthcare plan selection, their vision plan selection, and ensure that they can upload that supporting documentation, which would be their completed benefit enrollment form. We have the audience here. Again, we've just selected 4 employees, and everything is going to be auto-approved. So we're now creating that workflow. We're going to assign those employees those tasks. We go back to our dashboard. We can now see it's in our list of workflow campaigns. And if we go 0% complete, because none of our staff has started the process. But now I've created this instance, in this case the workflow, where I can get this information from these employees, tie it to their custom fields, and get copies of those completed benefit enrollment forms.